You're going to check the throttle position sensor, so you want to look at the voltage between terminal A and B, which are the bottom two wires on the throttle position sensor. And what you can do is you can back probe terminal A and B. I bought this harness, this testing harness here, I think at 𝐒𝐓𝐓𝐄𝐓 for $10, but you just want to have a multimeter. Set it DC volts, and then put one lead to terminal A, one lead to terminal B. Battery connected. This is a key on, engine off test, so just turn the ignition on, don't start the engine. You should look at the voltage. It'll tell you should have 0.5 volts at idle, and then you can take your hand and you can just gently throttle up and watch your gauge. You should go up to 5 volts, and it should be very smooth and nothing erratic about it. It should just go real easy all the way up to like about 5, and then drop back down. So the throttle position sensor is working pretty good. That's a pretty easy test to do. I always tell everybody this when I'm doing these tests. Don't disconnect or connect the battery with the key in the on position, because it will cause internal damage to the electronic control module. And turn the key off. I keep if anybody ever watches my videos, I keep a sheet over my seat covers, because I get in and out of the car with grease on my and dirt and everything else, gasoline, oil, everything else on my pants. But anyway, just another test. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it.